A well-designed kitchen not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your home, but also improves functionality and convenience. One of the key elements in a modern kitchen is the range hood. Whether you're a cooking enthusiast or just someone who enjoys a clean, odor-free kitchen, a range hood is essential. In this guide, we'll walk you through the steps to install a custom range hood, focusing on stainless steel range hoods and hammered copper range hoods. We'll also touch on complementary kitchen features like custom copper kitchen sinks, copper kitchen faucets, and handcrafted cabinet hardware to complete your kitchen's look. Why choose a custom range hood? Benefits of custom stainless range hoods. Custom stainless range hoods are a popular choice due to their sleek, modern appearance and durability. Stainless steel is resistant to rust, corrosion, and stains, making it a practical option for busy kitchens. Moreover, stainless steel range hoods are easy to clean and maintain, ensuring that they stay looking new for years. The charm of hammered copper range hoods. On the other hand, hammered copper range hoods add a touch of elegance and uniqueness to your kitchen. The warm tones of copper can create a cozy atmosphere, while the hammered texture adds character and depth. Copper also has natural antibacterial properties, making it a hygienic choice for kitchen applications. Preparing for installation. Tools and materials needed. Before you start the installation process, gather all the necessary tools and materials. Here's a list to get you started. Custom range hood, stainless steel or hammered copper. Measuring tape, level. Drill and drill bits, screws and anchors. Ductwork and venting materials. Electrical wiring and connectors. Safety glasses and gloves. Copper kitchen faucets, if updating fixtures. Handcrafted cabinet hardware, for a cohesive look. Measuring and planning. Proper planning is crucial for a successful installation. Start by measuring the space where you'll install the range hood. Ensure there is adequate clearance between the range hood and the cooking surface, typically 24 to 30 inches for gas ranges. Also, plan the route for the ductwork to ensure efficient ventilation. Step-by-step installation guide. Mark the mounting points. Using a level and measuring tape, mark the mounting points on the wall. Ensure the markings are level and aligned with the center of your gas range. Double-check the measurements to avoid any mistakes. Drill the mounting holes. Put on your safety glasses and gloves, then drill the mounting holes at the marked points. If you're installing the range hood on drywall, use appropriate anchors to provide additional support. Install the ductwork. Proper ductwork installation is essential for efficient ventilation. Connect the ductwork to the range hood's vent and route it to the exterior of your home. Seal all joints with duct tape to prevent leaks. If your range hood supports recirculating ventilation, follow the manufacturer's instructions for installing the charcoal filters. Mount the range hood. Carefully align the range hood with the mounting holes and secure it in place using screws. Make sure it's level and stable. For heavier units like custom copper range hoods, it may be necessary to have an assistant help with lifting and positioning. Connect the electrical wiring. Turn off the power to the circuit you'll be working on at the breaker box. Connect the range hood's wiring to the corresponding wires in your home, following the manufacturer's instructions. Use wire connectors to secure the connections and wrap them with electrical tape for added safety. Once connected, turn the power back on and test the range hood to ensure it's working correctly. Enhancing your kitchen's aesthetic. Incorporating custom copper elements. To complement your new range hood, consider adding other custom copper elements to your kitchen. A custom copper kitchen sink and copper kitchen faucets can create a cohesive and luxurious look. These elements are not only visually appealing but also practical, as copper is durable and easy to maintain. Adding handcrafted cabinet hardware. Handcrafted cabinet hardware can further enhance the aesthetic appeal of your kitchen. Choose handles and knobs that match the finish of your range hood and faucets. This attention to detail can make a significant difference in the overall look and feel of your kitchen. Custom copper murals. For an extra touch of elegance, consider installing a custom copper mural. These handcrafted pieces can serve as a stunning focal point in your kitchen, adding artistic value and a unique charm that complements other copper elements. Maintenance tips for your custom range hood. Regular cleaning. To keep your custom range hood looking its best, clean it regularly. For stainless steel range hoods, use a soft cloth and a mixture of warm water and mild detergent. Avoid abrasive cleaners that can scratch the surface. For hammered copper range hoods, use a soft cloth and a copper cleaner to maintain their luster. Checking the filters. Clean or replace the filters in your range hood regularly to ensure optimal performance. Grease filters should be cleaned with warm, soapy water, while charcoal filters, for recirculating models, should be replaced according to the manufacturer's recommendations. Inspecting the ductwork. Periodically inspect the ductwork for any signs of leaks or blockages. Proper airflow is essential for the efficient operation of your range hood. and addressing any issues promptly can prevent more significant problems down the line. Your partner in crafting a dream kitchen. At Akacon, we understand the importance of creating a kitchen that reflects your unique personality and style. We offer a wide range of popular range hoods, from sleek stainless steel designs to the warmth of copper. But we don't stop there. Our skilled artisans can craft custom copper hoods, kitchen faucets, cabinet hardware, and even breathtaking copper murals, transforming your kitchen into a work of art. Elevate your kitchen with Akacon's top-notch custom range hoods and unique kitchen elements by contacting us at 888-8228-2025. We pride ourselves on crafting beautiful, functional pieces tailored to your specific needs.